Hi everyone, I'm Roman Prilepsky and this is the video for Skoltech class Learning how to learn Android online. Here we'll tell you how to create dynamically updated UI elements in your app. First of all, let me briefly describe the application that will be an example for our learning. It was a team project for Android class, a quiz game. Users answer questions in different categories of knowledge, receive points and bonuses. This app helps users to broaden their knowledge in an interactive and challenging way and motivate them to pass more tests and get deeper knowledge. The use case is the following. You choose the plain mode, then you choose a test category, and finally the test to pass. You answer questions. You can check with the questions map how many are still left. And when you are done, you proceed to the test results screen where you can see all the stats about the game and can check what was right and what was wrong. My part in this project was to create all the user interface elements and layouts, fill it with the data provided by my team members with a bunch of methods, and make it all work. Now let's talk about dynamic UI updates and how to make them. First, the goal. I want to put a timer in the multiplayer test, so every time you pass the test you will have only 4 minutes to finish it. The user will see a dynamically updated text view with a counter representing how much time is left. Let's see it in action. We go to multiplayer. Again, we choose the category. We see all the users in this category from the database. We pick one to challenge and send him a challenge. Then for both of us appears the screen of the test. We start the test and see the dynamically updated text view with the counter before the end of the test. So when the time is 0, I will be redirected to the test results screen. Let's wait for it and see it in action. And here we go. For this purpose, we will use two types of objects, a runnable and a handler. They are here. The runnable object basically represents a command or a piece of code that can be executed. It has a run method which starts executing the active part of the code. The handler allows you to send and process messages and runnable objects associated with the thread's message queue. When you create a new handler, it is bound to the thread or message queue of the thread that is creating it. The handler allows us to schedule messages and runnables to be executed at some point in the future. To do this, we will use one of its methods called pause_delayed. It has two arguments: a runnable object to be added to the message queue and then executed. Here it's update, and the long object, delay in milliseconds before starting a runnable object. You can now see all this implemented in the code. We start the update runnable object with a 0 delay, execute the update code, and then reschedule the update in 1 second. I also use additional flag called stop handler to control if the user finished the test and there is no need in rescheduling. Also, to delete any pending posts of callbacks and send messages. I use remove callbacks and messages with the argument null. So this is it. For more detailed information, please go to the official Android documentation website called developer.android.com. Here you can find some more useful methods for different cases, as well as for the handler, like post at time, send empty message, or post send message at a time. Thank you for your attention.